I mean, you stepped back from a career. Would you really want Navya to do that today, or anyone like?
I don't want Navya to get married.
You think marriage is an outdated institution?
Yes, it is.
Tell us a little more.
Poor thing, she's asked me something else.
No, I know, but you answered. तो अब पूछना तो
You
पड़ेगा
know, I'm a grandmother now. Navya turns 28 in another few days. I think I'm too old to advise young girls today how to bring up children. Things have changed so much.
Yeah.
You know, and today these little children are so smart. They are so smart. They'll outsmart you. So,
Thank you, ma'am.
But you said that you believe marriage or the legality of it doesn't have to define a
Yes,
relationship.
yes.
Maybe that's the better way to put it.
I mean, I really don't know. वो दिल्ली का लड्डू है, खाओ तुम मुश्किल ना खाओ तो मुश्किल. But just enjoy life.